pull bipod. This is a bolt action, so that means I have to manually cycle this action each time, okay? So this is my chamber flag. Chamber flag is required when the gun is clear after we've shot the 10 rounds, okay? And so what I do is everybody's gonna have a bench, just like this, and we can kind of, depending on the height of the child, is we can adjust the legs. So the goal is we want to shoot straight through our targets, okay? And so the way this process works is we're gonna have a gun that's gonna be on the bench kind of like that. I have my magazine, okay? So when I give a command when I say range is hot, we're gonna make sure we have our eyes and ears in or on, depending on what kind we're using. My first step is I'm gonna pull out this chamber flag, okay? Chamber flag comes out. I just set it aside because we're gonna use it again. And then my next command, I'm gonna say, load and make ready. Load and make ready. So what I mean by that is I take my box magazine, bullets forward, I seat it into the mag well, and then I close the bolt, and then I make sure my gun is unsafe, okay? You see the red? Remember red for dead? Okay, so the red, this gun can fire. So I want that gun on safe. Finger is always straight and off of the trigger, okay? So we're talking about our stance, right? So we're kind of bladed towards the target. This part of, who wears a backpack? You guys wear backpacks? Okay, so that strap is where this part of my stock of the rifle is gonna go, okay? So what it looks like is, if I'm a right-handed, is there anybody that's left-handed? Makes it so much easier. Right-handed shooters, okay, because these are right-handed rifles, okay? So what it does is I'm up against my shoulder, my finger straight off the trigger, okay, just like that. See how I'm doing that? And what I'm doing is I'm looking through my front sight, I'm aligning it with the rear sight, and it's gonna go on my target, okay? So when I have the front sight aligned with the rear, I'm gonna give you a command, shooters ready, and then I'll say stand by. And once I say stand by is the only time I should hear this. Or excuse me, when I say fire is when I should hear this. Hear that? Yeah. Only time I should hear that is after I give you a command to fire, okay? If I hear this before I say fire, I'm gonna stop you. Because I want everybody on the same page. Because I want these guns to go off at about the same time. That way, you know, there's gonna be 10 guns that go off at the same time. So once the gun goes bang, so I'm gonna line my sights up, I'm gonna give you the command to fire, go to my trigger, press the trigger, it's gonna go bang, and then I wait for the next command, okay? My finger comes off the trigger. My next command is cycle back on safe. Cycle back on safe. And what it looks like is I lift up on the bolt, I cycle it to the rear, push it back and I close it, and I put the gun back on safe, and then I wait for the next command. We do it again and again and again, okay? I threw a lot at you, okay? It'll all make sense once we start breaking it down in little bits and pieces, okay? Most important thing is finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire, and then wait for the next command. Because there will be a command to do everything, okay? Everybody feel good? Does anybody have any questions? No questions? No. Perfect.